Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best boat fenders that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Seachoice Twin Eye Boat Fender Kit. The Seachoice Boat Fender boasts a durable and reliable marine-grade vinyl with Roto molding and a high-gloss finish. This, therefore, allows it to offer superior protection to your boat. Again, it uses high-quality ribbed material which is soft enough to protect your boat from corrosion. It also comes with a molded valve plug housing which is fitted to protect the valve lug from drawing away. You will also appreciate that this boat fender arrives with sturdy integral lugs to guarantee durability. The lugs are also Roto molded to ensure that the fender remains stable on the hull. Apart from that, the fender includes double-braided MFP lines with a nylon mesh loop at one end. This will help you secure the fender firmly on your boat. Moving on, at number 4, we have the attwood 5-inch boat fender. Here is yet another great boat fender that will prevent the docks or other boats from damaging your boat. Again, it is engineered in the USA using the toughest and lightweight polymeric material. With its soft feel, this fender will be easy on hulls, thus keeping your boat safe from corrosion. It can also withstand UV degradation, which means that harsh sunlight rays should not bother you anymore. The good thing about this boat fender is that it features an air valve that has no issues of leakage. This, therefore, eliminates the need for maintenance, allowing air inflation to be a breeze. On top of that, it arrives in an oval shape with ribbed sides to prevent the fender from rolling against the hull. You will also appreciate that this is a risk-free purchase now that it comes with a lifetime guarantee. At number 3, we have the Doolittle Fender Adjusters Boat Fender. This boat fender features an adjuster holder which enables you to secure it to the existing holder of your boat. It also provides an easy solution for attaching and adjusting the fenders on your boat. That said, you will use the fender effortlessly and adjust its height without tying knots. More interestingly, you can use it as a support handle while boarding or exiting the boat. Another great thing about this boat fender is that it adopts tough reinforced nylon fiberglass that has a UV component. For this reason, it will endure the harsh sunlight rays and therefore guarantee you years of reliable use. This is the ideal boat fender that will help you enjoy rafting with other boats while ensuring your boat's safety. At number 2, we have the Tailor-Made Products Boat Fender. What makes this boat fender unique from the rest is the fact that it has been made both for vertical and horizontal applications. It is a good boat fender for those boats whose size ranges from 20 feet and 25 feet. Just like other high-quality boat fenders, you will have the choice of color and size according to your boat needs. The other feature that you will appreciate about this boat fender is that it comes with a high-gross and marine-grade vinyl. This basically means that the boat fender will serve you for the longest period of time. Apart from that, the boat fender comes along with a rubber football needle. With that, you can rest assured that inflation and deflation will be very easy. And finally, at number 1, we have the Tailor-Made Products Inflatable Boat Fender. If you are looking for a boat fender that will be very easy to inflate, you are in for the right pick. You will appreciate that this one has a molded-in valve that allows for easy inflation. Additionally, it helps to guarantee a long life. For a better experience, you will appreciate that the boat fender comes along with a rubber football needle. The other thing to appreciate about this boat fender is that it has been made with marine-grade materials. It, therefore, implies that it will be resistant to the UV rays for prolonged life. Additionally, with its gloss finish and the molded black ends, it proves to be even stronger. This boat fender has been made for boats whose size is between 25 and 30 feet. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.